Hi friends! Guess whose birthday it is? Guess who's 10 years old today? Isaac! My honey. That's right. Today is my cat's birthday! Woo! August 30th. I hear two questions a lot about my cat. One is, what is he? Do you know what kind of cat he is? He's a Japanese bobtail, and his hair is all over my face. A Japanese bobtail is a Japanese cat. You can see them in old Japanese art. And Isaac is a Japanese bobtail, long hair. That's why there is always hair on my clothes, my face, in the air, in my bed, in my nose, everywhere. In my food, cat hair. If you don't like shedding, I do not recommend this cat. But let's take a closer look at this breed. He's a little bit fat. A lot of Japanese bobtails are mike. Mike in English is calico. They are black, white, orange, three-color cats. But mike are usually, almost always, girls. So we have a boy here, he's only two colors. His mom was a calico. And he's got a bobtail. It's short. He does have a tail. He has all the bones in his tail of a regular cat. They are just fused together, really short. You can feel it. It feels a little gross. It's like this shape. It's really strange. You can actually see a lot of Japanese bobtails out on the streets around Japan, probably on one of the cat islands too. They're a natural cat. They're still out there, so they're a healthy breed. They're hardy. They don't really have any health problems. This one's pretty healthy, and for 10 years old, he is youthful. He acts very young. Japanese bobtails are extremely affectionate. Before I got him, I did my research. I wanted an affectionate or friendly, loving cat. Persian was at the top of the list, but they require or need a lot of brushing, baths. They're high maintenance cats. High maintenance means a lot of work. I didn't want a Persian. So I contacted his breeder in Hokkaido. He's from Sapporo. And she recommended this cat for me, and he is loving. He's often on my lap, on my shoulder, and we sleep together every night. Maintenance, pretty easy. I brush him every day. He gets a bath 4 times a year. He's a cat, so he's pretty clean. Just needs to be brushed. Of course, yes, they are very friendly, sweet cats. He never bites or scratches. Ever. He is a very easygoing, chill, or relaxed cat. But, warning, if you want a quiet cat, do not get a Japanese bobtail. It's the most obnoxious breed. Maybe after Siamese, they're pretty noisy too. This cat meows. If you read about Japanese bobtails, it says they have sweet chirping, singing voices. It sounds like they're singing like little angels. He can do that. He can do the cute meows. He can also do extremely loud meows. He can also wake me up several times a night meowing for attention. So if you like quiet cats, steer clear of the Japanese bobtail. But if you don't mind a little bit of a noise all the time, then I recommend this kind of cat. They are wonderful. He's my best friend. So today we're going to celebrate his birthday. I got him 2 presents, and no, I didn't wrap them. I got him this pet kiss, chicken and cheese. It looks like it's good for their breath, so they eat this and then you can kiss them. And I got him chow. He likes these. So let's crack open a chow and see if he likes this flavor. Chow, not sponsored. Although I will accept a sponsorship from Chow. Let's try this out. As we can see, he's pretty excited. Hey, look at this. Nanya. There he goes. Happy birthday. He's liking it too, honey. You can't have this. Okay? This is for cats. What are you doing? Don't eat that, man. Ew. It's on the table. This stuff is pretty stinky. Stand up. Good job. He's so smart. This is an intelligent breed here. He can do more than that. Oh yeah. Watch this. Hand. Good. Okay. If you like this video, please like it. If you like my cat, please like it. 1 like equals 1 happy birthday. And don't forget to subscribe, please. More videos coming up. Thanks again, and see you next time.